What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to start a 1980 Honda NC50. It is a super easy process, but if you skip one step or do something wrong, you will not be able to start your bike, and it will be incredibly frustrating. Trust me, I know. That's why I'm making this video. And if you guys want to see how to do an oil change on this bike, check this video out right here. And with that, guys, let's get right into it and let me show you how to start your bike. First things first, go ahead and turn your key to the on position. On the right side of your handlebars, make sure that your kill switch is in the middle position. That is the run position. Next, on your gas tank, make sure that your gas cap is switched to on. Turn your gas on the on position or the reserve, depending on how much gas you have. Back to the right side of the handlebars, this is your choke lever. Go ahead and pull this all the way. You don't need to hold that. This will stay on for about 10 to 20 seconds of starting your bike up. Now, this step here is what some people might get wrong. This looks like a Kickstarter because it is a Kickstarter. However, inside of these Honda NC50 transmission covers, they actually have wind-up springs. So what you do is you just wind them up until it won't go anymore. As you guys can see, it's not going to go anymore. And now all you have to do to kick your bike over is press the left handlebar, but I want to show you why you have to press that left handlebar. When you press that left bar in, it actually goes to a cable to your back wheel. But if you look real closely, it's also connected to a little lever. When you pull the brake in, it actually moves it. And you'll notice there's your motor kicking over. So like I was saying, go ahead, make sure that this is all wound up, and your bike should be good to go. Let this warm up with the choke on for about 10 to 20 seconds, and then you're good to take off. And there you guys go. That's how you start a 1980 Honda NC50. If this video was helpful, please feel free to leave a thumbs up down below. And if you just enjoy moped content in general, maybe hitting that subscribe button. As always, guys, I really hope that this video helped. Enjoy this upcoming riding season. And as always, guys, ride safe.